Hello brothers, how is it going? Today with another crazy pizza review, and I ordered a Christmas pizza and it's called Oh Weihnachtstraum, so that means Christmas dream. And yeah, here we are, this is the pizza, and yeah, we have crazy things. The blue or the purple stuff is kraut, and the base of this pizza is with gravy, then kraut, then pieces of apples, and the meat is duck meat. So a really crazy combination. And yeah, as a topping we have cheese, and I ordered it with garlic, so when I opened it I had this extreme smell of garlic in my nose. Let's check the pizza out, and today a special episode because I do some mukbang stuff. I will eat the whole pizza and telling you dirty jokes or pickup lines or both. So let's start to eat, and when I ate the whole thing I will rank it as normal. Start. Here we are. Yum yum yum. Oh, I really like that. As you can see here, the duck meat. Really tasty. Let's start with the first pickup line. You are hotter than the bottom of my laptop. What a bad one. It's tasty, but it's really fatty. Another pickup line. Your body is 15% of water and I'm thirsty. This is another bad one. Oh, never mind. Better ones are incoming. I would say I tell you more dirty jokes because they are funnier. So here we are, the first one. What is 72? And the answer, 69 with 3 people watching. Oh my god. Hopefully we get some better ones. Why is 77 better than 69? Because you get 8 more. Such bad jokes. Let's take another piece of pizza and tell you something more. What comes after 69? The mouthwash. So let me see what we have. Hopefully some better jokes. A man comes home from work to find his wife sliding down the banister. What are you doing? He asks. She answers, warming up your dinner. I'm interested if YouTube closed down my channel because I'm telling such dirty jokes, and YouTube do not like that. But I don't think so. The duck is so tasty. I really like the combination of the kraut, the gravy and the cheese. Okay, another one. What is the difference between your job and a dead prostitute? The answer is your job still sucks. Oh my god. What's long and hard and has cum in it? A cucumber. Oh my god. Most of the jokes are so bad. How do you get a nun pregnant? Dress her up as an altar boy. What do you call 2 guys fighting over a slut? A tug of war. Oh man. Okay, another one. Why was the guitar teacher arrested? The answer is for fingering a minnow. This was the first one I liked. So. Okay, this, I guess the next joke, most of people know the next joke, so I will tell you. Why does Santa Claus have such a big sack? The answer, he only comes once a year. What did the banana say to the vibrator? The answer, why are you shaking? She's gonna eat me. What's the best part about sex with 20-year-olds? There are 20 of them. I do not understand this one. If someone understands this one, please write it in the comments. Let me know what this means. So, what do you call the space between Pamela Anderson's breasts? The answer is Silicon Valley. And the pizza will be gone soon. This is so sad because I really liked it. Take a look. This is awesome. Oh my god, yeah. So fatty. Oh my god. And I guess the apple stuff, there are just little apples. I don't know if you can see it. Here we have one. I guess they add some sugar because they are so sweet and so tasty. So let's take a look for another stupid jokes or pickup lines. Why does a woman pierce her belly button? So she can hang an air freshener from it. Oh, this is a really bad one. Let's take another piece of pizza and the next joke. I like to see what's under your Cooper belt. Oh. Okay, listen to this one. What do American beer and having sex in a canoe having in common? They are both fucking close to water. This is so stupid, but this is another good one. So let me take a look. I do not understand. No. Why did the chicken cross the basketball court? The answer is, he heard the ref was blowing fools. I really want to know which kind of people invented these jokes. This is so stupid. So, this is a really good one. Listen carefully. Children in the backseat can cause accidents. Accidents in the backseat can cause children. I would say that was it. I do not tell you any more bad jokes or bad pickup lines, but let's rank that shit. So I really like the combination out of the kraut, the duck meat, the gravy, the apple, and the garlic, the cheese. This has a really interesting flavor, and this is a limited edition. You only have that in the Christmas time. How many points? For the fact that it's limited, I would give 10 out of 10, because I always has to wait the whole year to eating this shit in December. And yeah, I really like that. So 10 out of 10 from my side. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode, and maybe we see us next time. I love you all. And you get a closer look. Say bye bye.